Hey guys, welcome back to the Madara family. My name is Amelia, and typically on these videos we do a lot of bus renovation because we are renovating a bus into a tiny home so we can travel with the kiddos. But this week we're doing something a little bit different. I am taking you along on our weekend and we're gonna vlog what a weekend looks like for the Madaras. I hope you guys enjoy. I am on my morning walk. This is pretty much the only time that I have to myself. Morning walks are becoming my favorite thing. I have been getting up at 5 o'clock to come out and walk and have some me time. We are headed to, what is it, Bubba? Swim class? Yay! It is literally his favorite. He gets so excited and I get so excited because he gets so excited. We have so much fun at swim class, don't we, buddy? Yeah, we do. You guys have to see this. Can you swim? To get the Mother's Day gifts, and I forgot my wallet all the way at home, so I have a couple dollars cash, so I'm gonna run in and grab one of the gifts and then we'll be back later. Bubba. All right, we just got home and I grabbed a bite to eat because I did not have breakfast, and so now we are going to head back to the store to pick up the other gift. And I'm also gonna stop at a local garden center and we're going to buy some plants. How about we're gonna get some plants today? Yeah. Trying to find plants with a toddler, impossible. Every time I get plants, it's with Colton, and then he gets like stuck in the back with them. I just got some ferns, and I don't know, that place just makes me so happy. I could spend hours there if I wasn't chasing Colton around. So I'm gonna hang those ferns that I just got on our deck. So I'm gonna hang them like up there, and then I don't know where this like burst of energy just came from, but this thing is an eyesore. It's in the middle of our yard, and I got some paint for that, so I'm gonna paint that too while Colton's napping. I know typically on these videos we do more bus stuff, but honestly, it's spring and summer, and I'm excited to get the yard looking good. We're kind of taking a break from the bus for this week. Chilly. But I'm looking for a screwdriver, and do y'all ever look through your husband's stuff and you're like, how the hell does he know where anything is? It amazes me. I got them up, just hoping that they don't blow off. And then I got that painted. Still need some love, but it is time for a coffee break. So I'm gonna go inside, drink some coffee. Okay, I came in for a little coffee break, some lunch. So far it's been such a beautiful day. Sun's out, getting stuff done around here. And I'm excited to like share our weekend with you guys. Mother's Day is tomorrow. My sister-in-law is cooking brunch for us and I'm so excited. She's such a good cook. She always makes the best foods. Oh, we're just spending Mother's Day. It's beautiful out today. Spend time with family and friends, and it's just so great to be able to spend time with loved ones. The rest of the day Andrew's just out mowing right now and I am cleaning on Mother's Day, so exciting, right? But one thing I did want to come on and just talk about is how much I appreciate you guys and your support. I know that life is busy and just taking the time out of your day to watch our videos really does mean a lot. I love doing this and I think it's so much fun to share, but I also think it's very important to pour into people the way that you guys have been supporting me. I just want to say thank you so much. You guys are so amazing and I know that you're out there doing great things, but if people aren't pouring into you, I am going to take this chance to pour into you right now. You are more than enough. You are doing everything that you can and you'll get through any hard times that are coming to you, or if you're in a hard season, you got this. I know you do. I think that more people need to encourage you guys. It's just sad that a lot of people don't even have that in their life. I have so many people that support me and encourage me. I feel so lucky to have that, and I know a lot of people don't. So I am here to support you in any way that I can. If you need me to help you in any way and I can do it, I'm here for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week.